Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my favorite hair and scalp treatment. This is a really simple 2-ingredient tea. I have been using this tea for a while now, and I have noticed my shedding has been reduced and how voluminous and quicker my hair grows as well. This tea contains fenugreek and hibiscus flower. Fenugreek moisturizes the scalp, decreases hair fall, reverses balding, speeds up the rate of hair growth, thickens the hair. It is antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and it is nutritious. Hibiscus flower is cleansing, balances the pH of the scalp, prevents dandruff, speeds up the rate of hair growth, increases blood flow to the scalp, and may delay graying. My Ayurvedic hair oil contains grapeseed oil, castor oil, avocado oil, cassia powder, fenugreek powder, aloe vera powder, amla powder, ashwagandha powder, brahmi, just to name a few. I apply this every other day and whenever my hair feels dry. As mentioned earlier, my shedding has been significantly reduced and I no longer experience any hair breakage. If you have tried this before, please share in the comment section how your experience has been with the simple fenugreek and hibiscus tea. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.